In addition to Merit's legacy of pipe valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of next-generation press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless steel known as MeritPress. MeritPress fittings and valves come equipped with a visual indicator press ring, also known as the Viper, which gives you a visual confirmation of a complete press. MeritPress's stainless steel press fittings and valves are an innovative solution for stainless steel pipe installations. Stainless press fittings are the most comprehensive offering for your stainless steel press applications with over 500 SKUs. It is important to note that Merit's sealing elements include EPDM, FKM, and HNBR for a stainless press fitting and valve offering. The EPDM, ethylene propylene diene monomer, is a peroxide cured sealing element, black in coloring, and has a temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Not for use with hydrocarbons. EPDM has excellent oxidation resistance. The HNBR, hydrogenated nitrile butadiene rubber sealing element, is yellow in its coloring and has a temperature range for fittings of -31 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, or -35 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, and for valves, -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, or -28 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. Not for use in hot water or hot air. HNBR has excellent performance for demanding applications. HNBR has excellent resilience and tear resistance. The FKM fluoroelastomer sealing element is green in its coloring and has a temperature range for both fittings and valves at -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. It is not for use with ammonia. FKM retains mechanical properties at elevated temperatures. Each sealing element plays a specific role with specific applications. Stainless press fittings and valves can be used in several types of services, including acids, bases, gases, and alcohols. Please refer to the chemical compatibility chart for each sealing element. This chart identifies the category and the different chemicals that are recommended for each sealing element. The recommendations are general in nature. Product service life for any given application is dependent upon the actual media mixture, pressure, temperature, and operational cycling parameters. Always consult your project and engineering team prior to determining the chemical and corresponding sealing element. For more information about our next generation of press fittings and valves, known as MeritPress, available in copper, carbon, and stainless steel, please visit our website at www.meritpress.com or contact our team today at 800-726-9800.